Comparing car insurance plans is crucial if you want to save money and get the best coverage for your needs. But how do you compare different plans and find the best deal? Here are some tips to help you. First, you need to gather your information. You will need your personal information, such as your address, date of birth, occupation, driver's license number and vehicle details. You will also need to know your current coverage levels and deductibles, as well as any discounts or claims you have. Second, you need to get quotes from different companies. You can use a quote comparison service, such as PolicyBazaar.com or thezebra.com, to get quotes from multiple insurers in one place. You can also visit the official websites of different insurers or contact them directly. Third, you need to compare the quotes based on the same coverage levels and limits. You should look at the premium, which is the amount you pay for the policy, and the coverage, which is the amount and type of protection you get. You should also look at the deductible, which is the amount you pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. Fourth, you need to consider other factors besides price and coverage. You should also look at the financial ratings and complaint ratios of different insurers, which indicate their ability to pay claims and their customer satisfaction. You can check these ratings on websites such as nerdwallet.com or insurance.com. Fifth, you need to choose the best plan for your needs and budget. You should weigh the pros and cons of each plan and decide which one offers you the most value and peace of mind. You should also check if you qualify for any discounts or benefits from different insurers. Finally, you need to buy the plan that suits you best. You can do this online, over the phone or in person. You will need to provide your personal and vehicle information, as well as your payment details. You will also need to sign some documents and receive your proof of insurance. By following these steps, you can compare different car insurance plans and find the best deal for your needs. Remember to shop around every 6 months or whenever your situation changes to make sure you are getting the best rate possible. One of the ways to save money on car insurance is to avoid common mistakes that can cost you more in the long run. Here are some of them. Paying for unnecessary coverage. If you have an old car that is worth less than your deductible, you may not need comprehensive or collision coverage. These coverages pay for repairs or replacement of your car in case of theft, vandalism, fire, or accidents. But if your car is not worth much, you may end up paying more in premiums than what you would get from a claim. You can check the value of your car online using tools like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds. Filing too many claims. Every time you file a claim, your insurer may raise your rates or drop you altogether. This is because they consider you a high-risk driver who is more likely to cause accidents or damage. To avoid this, you should only file claims when absolutely necessary and pay for minor repairs out of pocket. You can also consider raising your deductible, which is the amount you pay before your insurance kicks in. This will lower your premiums but also make you responsible for more costs in case of a claim. Letting your policy lapse. If you stop paying your premiums or cancel your policy without getting a new one, you will have a gap in coverage. This can have serious consequences, such as fines, license suspension, or even jail time in some states. It can also make it harder and more expensive to get insurance again, as insurers will see you as an unreliable customer. To avoid this, you should always pay your premiums on time and shop around for a new policy before canceling your old one.